Gujarat High Court has pronounced its judgment in the Naroda massacre case. Former BJP leader Maya Kodnani has been acquitted by the court, while life sentence of Bajrang Dal leader Babu Bajrangi has been upheld by the court. A division bench of the Gujarat High Court pronounced the judgment on a batch of appeal petitions moved by 32 convicts who were sentenced to life imprisonment for their roles in the Naroda case, in which 97 Muslims were massacred on February 28, 2002 in the post-Godhra riots. On February 28, 2002, the mob went on rampage after the Godhra train burning incident. BJP leader Maya Kodnani was spotted at the scene of offence by 10 witnesses. Kodnani was found guilty by the special court in August 2012 and was held as a kingpin of the riots. And to give us more details on the story, I am joined in by our political editor, Karthika Sharma. Karthika, what are the details of this judgment that has just been passed? Please share.
What has happened is that the High Court has reaffirmed certain portions of the judgment given by the trial court. In the trial court, Babu Bajrangi was convicted. He was part of Bajrang Dal there. But then a lot of victims at that particular point of time, they approached the court and they said that the life imprisonment of Babu Bajrangi must stay. And last year, if I remember correctly, 1st of August, the order was supposed to be pronounced, but the judgment was held on by the bench, by the judge. And after a year or so, this order, which had already been written a year before, was pronounced before the applicants. And the order says that the life sentence of Babu Bajrangi, who is one of the principal accused in inciting violence in the Naroda Party region, which is part of Ahmedabad, which were sort of violence post Godhra incident, has been given life imprisonment. In India, life imprisonment earlier meant 14 years. But I think in this context, the life imprisonment would mean life imprisonment. He would be behind bars. So I think that's the bottom line, and I think it's sort of a closure unless and until convicts or the people or the applicants move the Supreme Court, or either the convict moves, because this is a High Court judgment. So I would treat it like a closure unless and until there is movement of application at the apex court.
Right. This could be treated as a closure unless they move to the apex court. Also, it's, the Naroda case has been going on for a long time now. Please share a brief background about this case with our viewers, Karthika.
You see, if you have to talk about the Naroda Patia case, you have to keep two things in mind. One is that the Naroda Patia case, the pleas were moved by 32 convicts, including former Gujarat Minister Maya Kodnani, who was sentenced to life imprisonment. They were convicted of instigating a mob in Naroda Patia to exact revenge for the death of car savers killed in Gujarat train carnage. Now, in this verdict, what has happened is the court has upheld the lifetime sentence to Babu Bajrangi. This was the division bench of Justice Harsh Devani and A.S. Supihaya, and they had reserved its order in August last year. The court heard a total of 11 appeal petitions by the convicts. The Supreme Court appointed special investigation team as well as the families of the victims and riots. So let me correct myself that this appeal was also filed on behalf of the convicts, Maya Kodnani and Babu Bajrangi. See, details are yet to come. There were appeals and counter appeals. So this is like closure in a long winding case where for one life sentence has been upheld. The other minor details will be part of the operative part of the judgment.
Right. Hopefully a closure in this long winding case. Thank you so much, Karthika Sharma, for bringing us all those details on this news story.